Hello students, welcome to Sonu's Learning World. We are discussing exercise 9.1 of some applications of trigonometry chapter of class 10. So let's discuss the 13th question. As observed from the top of a 75-meter high lighthouse from the sea level, the angles of depression of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between the two ships. Okay, students. So, this is a question. What is our aim? Our first aim is to make the figure. Okay. So, as observed from the top of a 75-meter high lighthouse. So, in the question, it has been given that we have a 75-meter high lighthouse. So, let's draw that. Okay. So, we have a lighthouse. So, let this be the lighthouse and it is 75-meter high. Okay. So, this is our lighthouse. Okay. So, next. 75-meter high from the sea level. The angles of depression of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. So, it's been given that we have two ships and the angles of depression of the two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse. So, it's been given that we have two ships. Okay. So, let this be the horizontal. So, we have two ships. Okay. So, let one ship be here. So, other ship is exactly behind the other one. So, here I am taking the point as C and here I am taking it as D. So, these are the 2 points. So, next I am going to join this horizontal. So, this is our horizontal. This is the first ship and this is the second ship. Okay. So, next is we have the angles of depression of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. Okay, students. So, from the lighthouse, the angles of depression are given as 30 degree and 45 degree. So, students, angles of depression means we get the horizontal here and it will be downwards. The angle will be downwards. Okay. So, we can draw the horizontal here. If you have any doubts, please watch the first intro section of angles of depression and angle of elevation. So, this is our horizontal. This is our horizontal. We can draw a horizontal. Okay. So, angles of elevation. Sorry, angles of depression. So, we have from here to the two ships, we have angles of depression given in the question. Come like this. Okay. So, first is the angle of depression is, well, one is 30 degree and one is 45 degree. Okay, students. So, we can put here as B. Okay. So, this is C and let this be A. AB be the lighthouse. Okay. So, next we are going to let this be. First one is 45. So, I am taking this as 45, this full as 45 degree and this as, okay, this as 30 degree. Okay, students. So, here this is a parallel line, this is another parallel. So, if this is 45 degree, this is also 45 degree. What is the reason, students? Because it is alternate interior angles. Okay. So, if this is 45, this is also equal to 45 degree. Okay. And here if this is 30 degree, this is also equal to 30 degree because this is parallel, this is parallel. So, this is equal to this. This full is equal to this. Okay, students. So, we got this as 30 and this as 45 degree. Here I am taking this distance as x and let this particular distance be y. Okay, this much I am taking it as x and this much I am taking it as y. So, students, let's take the triangle next. We can take ratio. So, we can start with the triangle ABC. Let's start with the triangle ABC. We have an angle here and we have one non-side here. Okay, students. So, here in triangle ABC. Okay, in triangle ABC, AB by BC. Okay, AB is a known side and B is AB by AC. AC is the unknown side and AB is the known side. So, I am taking AB by, this is AC. AC is equal to, AB is perpendicular by height. Okay, students. So, what is perpendicular by height? That is equal to tan theta. Okay. So, AB is given as 75. So, I am substituting 75 here divided by AC, that is x. Okay. That is equal to tan theta. Okay. So, here what is the angle? It is 45. So, I am writing tan 45 degree is 75 by x. So, tan 45 is equal to 1. So, 75 by x is equal to 1. So, x is equal to 75 meter. So, we got the value of x as 75 meter. Okay, this much we got 75 meter. Okay, so next triangle is, we can take the triangle, this full triangle DAB. Okay, so students, in the question what we have to find? We have to find the distance between the two ships. Okay, one ship is here, this is one ship. Okay, this is one ship, this is another ship. So, distance between the ship means we have to find this y. Y is the distance between the ships. Okay. So, we have to find this y, students. Okay. So, we got the value of x. So, next we have to find the value of y. So, when we take this full triangle ABD, next triangle, if you are taking DAB or ABD, from there we get the value of y. Okay, students. So, let's take the triangle. Next, we can take the triangle, full triangle DAB. Okay. So, next in triangle, full triangle, triangle DAB. Okay. So, we can start with perpendicular AB by this full AD. Okay. AD is equal to perpendicular by base. Okay. So, perpendicular by base is tan theta. So, what is AB? AB is 75. Okay. AB is 75 divided by AD is what? X plus y. X plus y. So, x plus y. Okay. What is the value of theta? Theta is 30. So, I am substituting here tan 30 degree. So, tan 30 degree is equal to 75 by x plus y. So, next we can substitute the value of tan theta. What is tan theta? It is 1 by root 3. Okay. So, 75 by x plus y. So, students, we know what is the value of x. The value of x is 75. So, we can substitute the value of x here. Okay. So, 75 by 75 plus y is equal to 1 by root 3. Okay. Next, what is the next step? So, students, let's cross multiply this. So 75 root 3 is equal to 75 plus y. So I am taking the 75 to the left hand side. So 75 root 3 minus 75 is equal to y. So from here I can take 75 common. So 75 into root 3 minus 1 is equal to y. Okay, students. So the value of y is 75 into root 3 minus 1. Okay, so next, if in the question if the value of root 3 is given, I am going to substitute this. Okay, I am going to solve for that also. If it is given in the question, we can solve like y is equal to 75 into 1.732 minus 1. Okay, so 75 into 1 minus 1.732 minus 1 is 0.732. So if we multiply, we get the answer 54.9 meter. Okay, students, if the value of root 3 is not given in the question, you can stop here. Okay, you can stop here. Okay, so we got the value of y. So what is our answer? What is the question? We have to find the distance between the two ships. Okay, we have taken in the question that the distance between the two ships is equal to y. So here we got the value of y also. So we can conclude, hence the distance between two ships are 54.9 meter. Okay, students. So students, if you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.